on promises you made, a foundation that felt so thick. You were the keeper of the key, the one I'd always trust. Now all I have are shattered pieces of what turned to dust. And I can't believe the same hands that held mine are the same ones that wrote a new and hateful line. Oh, betrayal, you're a venom in my soul, a silent cut that takes its toll. You wore a mask of friendship, a perfect disguise. You shattered all the truth I saw behind your eyes. Now the walls are closing in, and I'm left to bear the cost of all the love and all the time that we have lost. I replay the moments, every word you said. Was there a flicker of deceit before the storm had spread? Did you laugh behind my back? Did you whisper my defeat? I try to find the origin, but the answer is bittersweet. I trusted you with secrets, my hopes and my fears. Now the weapon's in your hands, and they've been that way for years. Oh, betrayal, you're a venom in my soul, a silent cut that takes its toll. You wore a mask of friendship, a perfect disguise. It shattered all the truth I saw behind your eyes. Now the walls are closing in, and I'm left to bear the cost of all the love and all the time that we have lost. They say that trust is greater than love, a compliment to hold, but you traded that for nothing, for something new and bold. I don't know how to fix this, how to mend this broken trust. I have to pick up the pieces and live with the rust. Oh, betrayal, you're a venom in my soul, a silent cut that takes its toll. You wore a mask of friendship, a perfect disguise. You shattered all the truth I saw behind your eyes. Now the walls are closing in, and I'm left to bear the cost of all the love and all the time that we have lost. Yeah, all the time that we have lost. Picking up the pieces, and I'm learning to live with the rust. Goodbye.